Welcome to this property brought to you by the experts at Coldwell Banker Holman Premier Realty in Klamath Falls, Oregon. For more information, be sure to visit coldwellbankerhbr.com or call 541-884-1343. Solar Advantage. Enjoy $10 monthly electric bills while keeping a cozy or cool home in one of the few homes boasting solar panels in Falcon Heights, a South Klamath Falls gated community. Panels installed 2 months ago along with brand new HVAC and AC just in time for winter and an increase in electric bills. Garage was converted into a 4th bedroom or office and 2 more storage rooms for extra space. Kitchen updates in July 2020 with new stainless steel stove, extra large refrigerator and granite counters. Additional updates include new carpet/flooring throughout the home and new interior paint. The seller has also updated blinds in the kitchen, living room, dining room and added a security screen door at the entry. Double gate alley access to the fully fenced backyard allows you to park your RV with electrical hookups. Make your viewing appointment today and see this one-of-a-kind home in a great Henley School neighborhood. Further information on solar benefits found in ASSOC docs.